Profitable Creator, Molly here. Are you somebody who got started with your online course, but it's been over 30 days and you haven't even made one sale yet? Or maybe you're somebody who's thinking about creating an online course and you want to make sure that that does not happen to you. If you want to start making sales with your online course in 30 days or less, then this video is for you and you definitely need to watch it all the way till the end. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 5-step process to pre-sell your online course. If this is interesting to you, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Or if you want to learn more about online courses, I have lots more videos on this channel and I come out with videos every Tuesday. So go ahead, like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. All right, now let's get real here for a second. Almost every single person that I meet that wants to create an online course thinks that they need to create their course before they sell it. Let me ask you this. Did you know that most authors actually pre-sell the idea of their book before they write the book? Did you know that most businesses actually pre-sale their idea on Kickstarter or something like that before they actually go ahead and make their business? Or let's take Elon Musk, for example. He's selling pre-orders for that, or he sold pre-orders for that like electric truck thing. I think they made like millions of dollars and they haven't even started production on that truck, I don't think. Let me know in the comments if you know otherwise. My point is that most successful businesses, they pre-sell their idea. Now, I call this kickstarting your online course. All right, see? Kickstarter, get it? Now, most people think that they need to spend months and months or years perfecting their course and then doing this giant launch that all the gurus talk about. But what you don't know is that these gurus, they have millions of dollars, big teams, lots of resources, and they can make these big launches happen. Now, sure, launches down the line can be great, but it is not the best way to start your course. You need to start your course profitably and quickly, and also ensure that you're going to get results with it before you put all this time and money into your course and then find out maybe that nobody buys it. That has happened to me and lots of people that I've talked to. Okay, so the first reason that you want to kickstart your course versus spending tons of time building it and then launching it traditionally, right, is this will save you time. You will literally be able to start getting sales from your online course idea in as little as 30 days or less, working as little as 5 hours per week. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, I count on my fingers. Okay, 20 hours in a month. That's it. Start getting enrollments for your online course. Pretty cool, right? Okay, the next reason you need to pre-sell your online course is because then you know it will sell. Okay, there is absolutely nothing worse than spending all this time and money building out a perfect course that nobody wants to buy. It doesn't matter how great of an idea you think your course is. It doesn't matter how great of an idea I think your course is. What matters is that people will buy it, right? You need people to vote with their dollars, not with their words. If I had $1 for every time somebody told me, oh, that's such a cool idea, and then I did it and they didn't actually buy it, you know what I'm saying? So, I've learned over the years now that you need to get people to put money in up front and vote with their dollars, not with their words. Okay, the third reason you need to pre-sell your course is you will get money up front. There is no reason why you should not be profitable from day one. Almost all successful businesses are profitable from day one. I'm not talking Silicon Valley, millions of dollars and backers and strategic partners and all that jazz. No, I'm talking small businesses, scrappy businesses that are profitable from day one are successful, okay? This is going to allow you to get money up front, which is going to allow you to grow faster, to have a cushion. It's going to be really a lot harder for a business to go under when you actually have a savings. You're going to be able to scale faster when you have money in the bank, right? Okay, the fourth reason to pre-sell your course is that you are going to be able to start helping people now, right away, today. If your course idea is the right course idea, then you are passionate about it and you know that it's something that people out there need help with, all right? So why put off helping those people a year from now? Why put off helping those people 3 months from now? Start helping them now. If you are truly somebody who is passionate about your idea, cares about helping people, and wants to create a course for those reasons, then you absolutely need to start with pre-sales. You're actually going to be able to teach the first round of your course live, which allows you to pre-sell it. And the best part of teaching your course live is you're able to teach a different module every single week, which gives you the week prior to work on that module. And you don't have to worry about it being perfect because you're helping your students live. So if they have more questions or they need more clarity on something, this is going to allow you to say, oh, okay, yeah, sure, no problem. I'll help you with that, giving you more clarity on that next week, or I'll come up with a worksheet on that for you next week, or whatever that is. This way you're working with your students in real time. You're getting feedback in real time, which is not only going to start helping people right away, but it's going to make sure that you end up with a better product, a much better product. Think about it. If you're not working with your students live on your first round, you're just asking yourself, what do I think people need? And you're just making it up. Right? You're just making it up. Oh, I think people need this. I'm going to put this in my course. That doesn't actually really make that much sense. When you're working with people live, they're actually giving you feedback. They're asking you questions. They're letting you know what they need help with. And this is going to help you make not a great course for you, but a great course for your customers, because that's what matters, right? All right. Lastly, reason number 5 is testimonials. When you do the first round of your course live, this is going to allow you to gather more testimonials, which is going to help you sell the course in the future. This is going to help you get students, ensure that you're getting students results before you go ahead and create the final version of your course, right? So I'm going to go ahead and sum all of these up. So number 1, this is going to save you a ton of time. Number 2, you will know that your idea is good and it's going to sell and you won't waste a ton of time. Worst case scenario, you find out it's not the right idea, you pick a different one, right? Number 3, and I just want to add to that I just posted on Instagram the other day. It's not the idea of the course that makes you money. It's the execution. Okay. So just know, like, if one idea doesn't work out, that's okay. You can go to another idea. Okay. Number 3, you're going to get money up front. Number 4, you're going to be able to help people live and build a better program, a better course. Number 5, you are going to be able to get lots of testimonials for your course. All right, so there you have it, friend. These are all the reasons why you should pre-sell your course, and do not go down the road of spending a year creating your course and then come back to me and say, Molly, oh my gosh, I spent $10,000 in all this time and nobody's buying my course. Do it the right way from the beginning, pre-sell your course. Now, maybe you're wondering, well, how do I get started with this? How do I come up with my idea? How do I get paid to test it? How do I build an audience so that I can enroll students in 30 days or less? I have you covered. I'm going to pull up my slides and show you step-by-step how you can register for your free seat for my on-demand training. Let's get into it. Just go to profitablecourses.com/class. And here it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for the class. The class is called How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One. Even if you're unsure what to teach, feel inexperienced, don't have a following, or you're short on time. We're going to be covering my profitable idea framework so you can nail down your course idea or ensure the one that you already have picked out will be profitable and get your students crazy good results. I'm going to be showing you my Post-it Power Hour framework so you can create your course content in 1 hour and get your course up and running ASAP. I'm also going to be sharing with you my profitable following framework and how I use it to grow a following from $0 to $17,000 in course enrollments in 30 days, even during the peak of the pandemic. This is super fun workshop. You're going to get a ton out of it. As soon as you enroll, you're going to get a bonus of my Profitable Course Kickstart workbook, and I'm going to be sending you some additional free training videos so that you can start to get results and help right away. Students have had great results with my teaching, so go ahead, just click any of the pink Yes, I'd Want to Attend buttons. Go ahead and select the date and time that you want. It will ask you to put your time zone, first name, email address, and phone number is optional, and then you can click to register now. I can't wait to see you there.